You want to open the door?
I want to make it butt sounds.
Here it goes.
Oh, poor dog. It's on the way up. George is filming it. On the clip. Oh, poor little guy. Oh, Daddy. Oh my God. Fat Dora waving. Oh my God.
He's building himself a track and he's running around in a circle.
I was just making a track for himself and he's running around it. Oh my God. Oh, I'll be one of the bushes that outside are all fallen over. I think they'll die. Oh yeah, he's making himself a little
track.
He's trying to figure out how to go to the bathroom. He can't. Like he squats. And
The double, that's his hole.
Oh, now it's falling on. Oh, Goblin. This is the biggest snow he's ever seen. Oh, I grew up with this crap all the time. I don't live up there anymore. I hate it. We get snow like this at least a few times a year. Oh, I hate it. Eerie, yeah. Yes, oh my God. Oh. Well, my uncle, who lives in Erie, my uncle lives up there, and my uncle called last night, and he's like, hey, send us some snow, we don't have any here. He's like, it's not even flurrying. I was like, shut up. Oh, I think he's peeing now. Oh, he found a little spot. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know if he's doing number 1 or number 2. It smells up to his bum. I don't know how he's going to do the other one. Oh, poor dog. Oh my God. He made himself a little. Oh, I think we need to shovel him a little lunch pad or something. Oh, yeah, this is disgusting. And it's still silly. Oh my gosh. Well, are you guys coming over for Super Bowl? Okay, cool. Good. Okay. Oh yeah, he did something. I don't know. I think he now he's looking at it. I think it's on him. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna try to frame in